It is Magic Acid Bro here, and today, this is my first video on this channel. So let's just get right into it. So this is how to shuffle for beginners. None like the riffle or anything, because that can be sort of hard to learn. Like, I'm still pretty bad at it, but just doing better than them. But so the way I shuffle is like this. I kind of forgot what it's actually called. So it's really simple. All you have to do is to hold the card like this, grab your other hand, grab some at the back, and move them to the forward. And you can also like move them in the middle as well. I found it a little bit more hard though, because usually they just fly everywhere then. So I just stick with this, and if I see like a hole, I'd fit it in. So that's how to shuffle for beginners. Just peace. Don't forget to subscribe.